this is Jasper. That's JSPR for Jazzy Venture Vlog, where everything's gonna be alright. More loves, more happiness. Ayan, so today is May 10, 2020, and today is the most special day to all the mothers out there. So happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga mama, mamshis, mamis, inay, and of course sa mga single dyan na nagtataguyod sa kanilang mga pamilya. Happy Mother's Day. And yan nga, for today's vlog ay magkakaroon tayo ng celebration ng Mother's Day dito sa aming bahay, sa labas ng bahay. Ayan, with the mga kapamilya and kapitbahay namin. So magkaroon kami ngayon ng BOODLE fight. Yeah, magkakaroon kami ngayon kakagising ko lang kasi guys, so bear with me. So magkakaroon kami ng simpleng handaan sa baba. Yeah. And ayun nga, to celebrate this Mother's Day. Ayan, so samahan nyo ako pagpunta sa baba and titingnan natin kung kamusta naman yung preparations. Through Christ our Lord. Amen. Happy Mother's Day! Yay! Go! And natira na lang yung para sa aso. And thank you to all the families na nag-participate sa ating BOODLE fight ngayong Mother's Day. Ang Brgy, ang Hilary, and of course, ang Cepria family. And thank you very much. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is Jasper. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, jazzyventure vlog, where everything's gonna be alright.